Today we are going to share a short yoga practice on a chair. Welcome to Simply Yoga with Nathalie. I'm Nathalie and this is my friend Oopsie. Come and meet me on your chair. So today we're going to use a chair for our yoga session. It can be a chair similar to this one, or it can be any other chair. It's a practice you can have at home or at your office, and it's going to be a short yoga practice, and you can include that into your daily routine. Keep your feet flat on the ground. Keep your spine straight, your head over your heart, and your heart over your pelvis. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale through the nose and exhale. One more inhale. Exhale. Inhale, reach arms up. Exhale, cactus your arms. Drawing your shoulder blades together, drawing your navel in, and release. Inhale up, exhale cactus, and release. One more, inhale up, exhale cactus, and release. Inhale, reach one arm up, the other arm is resting on your chair. Inhale, exhale, and take a side bend. Notice the sensation in your body. Stay here for 2 more breaths. Inhale, come back to center, switching side. Take the other arm up, planting the other hand on the chair. Inhale, exhale, bend. Notice what you feel on the side in the stretch. One more breath. Inhale and release. Inhale, bring your ear toward your shoulder and exhale. You have the option here of placing your hand on your head. I think Oopsie doesn't like that, but I'll do it. Okay, he doesn't like that, but you can place your hand on your head for some added pressure and extending the other arm. See if you have more sensations and if it feels good. One more breath in, out, inhale, center. Moving on to the other side, here again. Ear toward the shoulder. Or for some more pressure, your hand on your head, extending the other arm. Notice what you feel in your shoulder and in your neck. You can move here a little bit, see what feels good. Moving up or down your hand too, if it feels good. Stay here for one more breath. Inhale and release. Place your hands on your thighs. Bring the chin to the chest and draw some half circles with your chin on your chest. Breathing in and out slowly. Coming back to center. For the next pose, come and sit at the edge of the chair. We'll do a few rounds of cat and cow. Grab your chair. And from here, inhale. Exhale, round your back. Chin to chest. Navel in. Inhale, arch your back, drawing the shoulder blades together, holding onto the chair, opening your chest, smiling. Thank you for sharing your energy with me today. Inhale, round your back, chin to chest. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, arch, open your chest, shine your love and your heart, smile. One more round, inhale, exhale. Inhale, arch your back. And release. You can come and here sit at the center of your chair and bring your ankle to rest on your thigh. Flex your foot. Place the other hand on the thigh. Keep the spine long. Maybe this is enough stretch and this is perfectly okay. Or you can also move your bend forward and move your torso toward your calf. See if that feels good. Draw your navel in. Inhale and release. Switching side. Planting your foot to the ground and resting the other ankle on the thigh. Flex your foot, keep the spine long. Head over heart and bend forward if you want. Here you also have the option of pressing with your hand. Press on your thigh for some additional stretch and sensations. See if that feels good. Inhale and release. Inhale. Exhale, airplane your arms, bend forward, hinge at the hips. Draw your navel in. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, bend. Draw your shoulder blades together. Inhale. Center. Exhale, bend. Inhale, come back up. For the next movements, come to sit at the edge of the chair again. Grab your chair with one hand and with the other hand place it on the opposite thigh for a supine twist. Inhale, exhale, twist, gaze toward the back or your shoulder. Stay here for a few breaths. See if you can go a little bit deeper into the twist as you breathe. One more breath. Inhale, center. Moving on to the other side. Here, grab your chair and with the other hand on the opposite thigh. Inhale and twist. Hello, Oopsie. Stay here for 2 more breaths. Inhale, center. Inhale, reach arms up. Exhale, cactus your arms. Open your chest. Smile. Release. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus. Navel in, shoulder blades towards each other. Release. Inhale, up. Exhale. And release. Place your hands, press your hands on your thighs. You can close your eyes or leave them open. We'll stay here just for a few moments for this last pose. Breathe in and out in consciousness, feeling supported by your chair and supported by the earth. Continue to breathe, feeling your chest expanding and contracting, and also your abdomen. Take a big inhale. Exhale, palms together at the heart center. Thank you for sharing this practice with me today. I'm Nathalie. This is Oopsie. Namaste.